Behold to all people, Galatians 20 verse 7.
For God so loved the world, that He gave His only beloved Son, that whosoever believe in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. John 3:16.
Ikaano ako na malinis na puso, O Diyos, awit page 1, verse 10. Inikha ng Diyos ang langit at lupa at ginawa itong banal. In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. Genesis 1:1.
Proverbs 22 verse 6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it.
Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Genesis 2:8. Love your neighbor as yourself. Luke chapter 10 verse 27. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 20 verse 8. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalms 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalms 23 verse 1. Psalms 23 6. I will let it out.
Matthew 5:16. In the same way, let your light shine before men, that they may see your good deeds and praise your Father in heaven.
John 14 verse 16. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes unto the Father but by me.
Revelation 22 verse 13. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, first and last. Revelation 22 verse 13. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 20 verse 8.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lay down in green pastures. Psalms 23 verse 1 and 2.
Do not be afraid, keep on speaking, do not be silent, for I am with you. Acts 18 verse 9 and 10.
Heaven and earth can pass away, but my word cannot pass away. Matthew 24 verse 30. God said, let there be light, and there was light. Genesis 1 verse 3. Now,